Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find username and phone number in Telegram. So let's get started. So if you want to find someone's username and phone number in Telegram, then what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, now what you can do is just select a person that you would like to know the username and phone number of. So after selecting a person, now what you have to do is just tap on their profile, which is on the top, and after tapping on their profile, you should probably see the username or the phone number over here. But if that person has turned on privacy mode, so if the person turned on private account feature, then you can't find this phone number or your username in their profile. So to access that, what you can do is you can use a trick. So what you can do is just simply come back to your Telegram's homepage, and now in search bar you can search for user info bot. After searching for user info bot, what you can do is just simply tap on this first bot and then tap on restart. And after doing that, now it will provide you your ID and the following information about your account. So now to access some other ID, what you have to do is just simply come back and then copy their message or just forward this message. So they have sent a message. What you can do is just simply tap on it and then copy their message, or you can just simply forward this message. So just forward it and then tap on user bot and then send that message. And after doing that, now you have to open up your user info bot, and now you'll receive their ID and then title with their username. So that's it guys, this is how to find username and phone number in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.